Good morning, friends. This is another video in the series that I have started today. The first one was the intraday strategy, which works 80% of the time. And why a second video is needed? Because I felt that there are some specific conditions that need to be added to individual stocks, uh, more than the indices. So let's first quickly go to the whiteboard and understand the logic of this methodology, although I have explained a lot in the previous video as well. What is the logic of stock futures? The logic of stock futures is that everybody wants to get into that one future which keeps moving up through the day and closes at the high point of the day. Now, this is not real life. Okay. What happens in real life is that early in the morning, certain stocks they go up strongly. Then, after a point in time, they collapse and most of the time lose all their gains, or they go down very sharply, find support, and by end of the day they recover. Okay, this happens 80% of time. This happens 20% of time. Okay, even where stocks rally in the initial part of the day and sort of show you as if they are having a trending day, by half a day, say about 12 o'clock thereabouts, they most of them they start to reverse and come down. Okay, now this I am not talking about your stocks like which are not well traded top 10 type of stocks. Our universe for this methodology is the top 10 nifty stocks, large cap, heavyweights, etc. I'm not talking about the Canara Bank which suddenly runs up 6%, because for a professional day trader, he needs to be trading the same stocks on a daily basis. So he cannot afford to be running around 5,000 stocks. That is a game best left for television. So let's go and see some examples of how good day trading can be done. Now, according to me, day trading is not taking your 4 rupees and thinking that you have made a great day trade. Day trading should mean that you sell at the almost the high point of the day and the stock gives you a substantial gain from there, 1.5 to 2%. Okay. Now, how do you get these stocks? That is what I am going to explain to you. Money management, if you take this kind of a trade, your stop is above the high, and if it works, you generally tend to make a lot of money. Okay, so let's go back to our charts and see how this is done. Okay, now this is our investing screen, and I think you have 10 period moving average, 20 period moving average, plus you have this red one. This is the 200 period moving average. Mostly I use 20 and 200 in most of my charts. Okay, so let's start with something like a Reliance. Reliance, yesterday it opened and it was like today Reliance is going to cross 21,000. Okay, but it went up and it got stuck at this previous day high. So for the day trader, he did not make as much money in this trade, which was the expansion trade, compared to this one here, which was the reversal trade. So my preference is the reversal trade because this is where the average day trader is tracked. Okay, so what is important is that there has to be some kind of resistance which the stock runs into. It can be a previous day high, it can be day before high, it can be any such previous turning point. Okay, so now let's see more examples. TCS did not have any great rally, so there was nothing to reverse. Infosys. Infosys gapped down and it hit almost previous session low, and if you bought here, it did a strong rally on the upside. So this was a legitimate day trade. 1157 became 1172. Okay. ICICI Bank did not rally early in the day as much as we would have liked, but later on it rallied, so there was no play out here. Now this is Hindustan Lever. Okay, now previous day you had a very sharp rally. Plus yesterday it opened up a further gap up. So this is your precondition. Sharp rally previous day plus sharp rally today. Sometimes the rally can be on the same day. Sometimes, the more rally a stock has had, the better you are. So gap up and it started to fail, trigger below low of the session, and it had a nice collapse. Okay. See, many stocks had started to fall after the first bar. So your stop was here. Okay. Again, look at something like Bharti. Bharti had a sharp rally in the middle of the day where it hit yesterday high, and from there it started to reverse and basically gave you this kind of large downside move. So from a day trading type of angle, you will get moves which will last you about half a day. You cannot expect moves which continue all day long for a professional day trader who is focusing on his 10 stocks. See, Kotak Mahindra Bank, again, it had a large rally day before. Again, early morning, it started to go up. But this is not my favorite reversal because Kotak Mahindra as a stock is not very sideways. But what could have worked for a good trade was HDFC Bank. It gapped up and immediately started to reverse and came down. Okay. So this way, it, it is possible to use gap ups or sharp rallies in individual stocks to trade reversals. Reversals happen 80% of the time. Trending markets are a rarity. So that is something you should keep in mind when you are trading on the market. Have your list of 10 stocks. See which stocks have opened up sharply. And in the first half an hour, you should be able to identify those stocks which have run up early morning. See, generally the trending day would be low volatile type of day, which will break out from a place which is near the 200 and it will lead to an expansion trade. But this is a rarity. Mostly what stocks do is they run up in a crazy manner early morning and then they collapse. They collapse early morning and then they come back to the equilibrium. So if you can keep these things in mind, I think 80% are good odds. A. B. The pattern occurs often enough that you can have enough opportunities. So as a day trader, reversal is the best game you can play on the index as well as individual stocks. But on both, look for previous resistance. On the index, you have a parameter called R2 and S2. For those who don't know what that is the pivot resistances. That is a minimum criteria you need so that you are able to get a good reversal. So that should be it for this video. Take care, trade well, and practice this strategy before you increase in volume. Like everything, this will work some of the time and it won't work at other times. So when it's not working, just pack up and move to the next trade. Take care and have a good weekend.